Right, guys, so the plans for the Grenville Island little date thing there might be canceled. I think she's feeling a little bit sick, but we'll check in with her. But I do actually need to go out anyways, do a couple errands, and I'm also now working with a new video editor. You might have noticed that the videos are edited a little bit differently. You can do some fancy editing here, do whatever you like, and make them feel real impressed with your skills, Mr. Editor Man. I got some big plans in the future, trying to figure out how to implement some really interesting stuff for the production level here. But not quite, so let's go. Home from the gym, and I just noticed I got a package in the mail. It is a new wallet, so let's just check it out here. Pretty slick wallet here. I got it online. It's got a tracking device on it if I lose it. It's got a little money clip there. Got a button that pops out all the cards. Kind of cool. Let's see what cards are in there. Did they give me some real money?
No.
Awesome, credit cards, perfect. Oh, that's kind of cool. Put your cards in there, pops them all out. Looks pretty cool. Here's a little tracker thing so that we can keep track of it if I lose it. Boop. It's like a game. It's like a Game Boy. Sounds like a Game Boy. Sweet, we'll figure it out soon enough. It's a nice wallet. I like it. Let's go out. Alright, so the date is on. It is getting dark. I gotta really run out there. She's gonna help me with a couple shots, but I'm not actually gonna really get any footage too much of the date. I think just a couple clips here and there, because I don't want to, you know, kind of put people on camera. As awkward as that could be and funny, it's just probably not the best thing to do. But dressing up, I don't know if you guys can see it, just a t-shirt and some Lulus. Lulu pants are the best, man. I just want to be comfy. I'm not even gonna put jeans on, not even gonna dress up. I'm starting to get really casual about this whole thing. I don't try as hard anymore. I guess just got home, had a really good time. I'm just walking upstairs now because I have a lesson planned with somebody. I'm gonna teach them some stuff. So we're gonna start that right now. And then we'll start looking at charts for the day because it is getting close to 8. Just quickly look at the charts. I already had some sushi, so I'm nice and full. I don't know what I'm gonna do after that. We'll kind of figure out, maybe just play some games, something like that. All right, so we're done the lesson. The guy was a little bit stuck on some stuff, so I had to really explain the strategy in great detail. So he was a little bit confused there, but should be getting some good trades from him soon, and then we can hopefully adjust kind of how he's going about things next week. I just got an email from Blueberry Markets. I talked about Blueberry Markets a little bit while ago, how they're just open to Canada. So I've just sent my funds. My bank was giving me a hard time with wire transfers and whatnot, so that was a huge process. Took me about 2 weeks to get the funds over. I had to send 37K as a starter amount. I still have the 100K on my old broker, FX Choice there, because I want to finish the challenge, this 3-month challenge there. I'll withdraw all of that the end of December, and then put that in Blueberry also. So we're just going to start with 37K here. on a Canadian dollar account. Blueberry Market's way better, much cheaper, trusted broker. They're not doing some like offshore stuff as much as FX Choice, so I'm way happier with these guys already. They're really being helpful and everything like that. I got to get that set up for Monday. It's Thanksgiving here for the US, so this week has just been slow. There's not going to be many trades going on this week. We are sitting at 2.5 R already this week. I only traded on Monday so far, but now it's Wednesday. Just haven't been trading. No good trades, really. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a nap because I am dead tired, and we can just take a nap at any time here before the London session opens up, and then we'll see if there's any good trades for the London session. And I'm also going to have to make a video for you guys, one that's not this video. I took a nap, just woke up, got another lesson with somebody else. These lessons is part of like my mentorship thing, and about once a week I sit down with each person that's got the mentorship whenever they want, and I go over some stuff that they need to be helped with. One of the guys even, he created his own trading strategy just based off of what I was teaching him, so we just talk about his strategy now, which is kind of cool. So I'm going to jump into a lesson there. Maybe order some McDonald's nuggets or something after that. I just realized that it's actually Thanksgiving this week in the States, so no wonder the trades have been very light this week. I only really have made trades on Monday, but we're still profitable. I don't think I've had a negative day in about 2 weeks now. That's counting the days that I skipped. Obviously, break-even days don't count as negative for me. So really satisfied with how things are going. KB Trading does something like this. I think he does day in the life of Forex trader quite commonly. And then it's multiple days. You guys can get like, it's a vlog style. You guys can get a better picture of like what days look like, because this is not a normal day exactly, right? It's somewhat normal, but every day is going to be different. So I think it'll be cool. Do one of these every couple weeks, and just it'd be good, get a good all-around picture of what's kind of going on. You guys can really understand better. Make it a little bit of a series. That'll be cool, I think. So we're gonna start doing that, I think, starting now. So we finished up that lesson, and during the lesson, the guy actually pointed out a trade. So we've just entered into a Euro JPY trade here. If we just want to quickly look at it here, quick little short, you know, it's a little bit blurry, but you guys get the picture. So trading day is about to begin. We got some nuggies, we got a drink, and we got some dipping sauce. Let's get it started. Hopefully we can make a little bit of money here before the weekends. Damn, Thanksgiving already. So right now, guys, I'm just working on some stuff. I had some music playing, but I don't want to ruin the copyright issues here with everything. So I'm just setting up some people's accounts for the copy trader for the signals here, managing some orders. It is now just about midnight here, so I got another 7 hours of trading on my belt here, and we're just looking at a possible short here on the Aussie. Took a short on the EJ, setting up some other accounts and whatnot for my new broker here, Blueberry. I'm thinking I'm going to actually turn off my 100K flip. I think it might be the end of it, and I'll just move the funds over or something, because I don't want to keep sitting on FX Choice anymore. I like Blueberry. They got lower fees, lower spread, much better, much nicer to work with. Nice. So that trade that we took, the short here on EJ, just completely dumping. We took some profit here. We're gonna hit for a 3.7 R on this one. It's pretty obvious. That should be pretty obvious that we're gonna hit this. There's no way it's gonna bounce up, really. A bunch of liquidity here. Looks good. All right, can you guys see that? Boom, hit the level. We got out. Starting to spike back a little bit here. I know it's super blurry here, guys, but I'm just recording with the camera. We hit the 3.6 R. Total weekly profit is 5 R currently. While everybody else is having a damn old time trading here, we're just continually rocking it. No losers, dude. So I'm pretty sure I showed you guys that account at 36.7. We're at just about 1,000 exactly profit for the day. So that's pretty sweet, if you can kind of see this. Yeah. Right, guys, so I'm gonna turn on the stream here in a second. It is 4 a.m. now, my time. So we're gonna do a New York Open stream session here. And there's a couple trades I'm looking for. I expressed that to you guys here. Hopefully we can get a trade going on for the New York Open. And then I'm gonna make some food. I got a HelloFresh delivery. They deliver food to you and then you cook it at home with like recipes and everything. And then I'm off to bed. That's basically it. I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys. If you guys like this sort of video, please let me know in the comment section below if you want to see more vlogs like this, more day in the life. We'll be doing more adventure, but it's just going to be kind of like a vlog style thing. I think that'd be cool if we did that maybe once or twice a month, something like that. And we can go from there. If you guys are new here, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. And there is a Discord link in the description if you want to get signals or just join a community. Go ahead and join that right there. See you guys next time.
Listen.